Protect yourself against these identity theft scams that can impact you financially. I'm Kurt the Cyber Guy, and there are several types of identity theft, including criminal identity theft. This is specifically when a criminal uses your stolen information while dealing with law enforcement. That means they'll steal your information either from the mail or online, and when they get pulled over by the cops, for example, they'll give your personal details instead of their own, and you're left with those fines, warrants, and even a record. Another type of identity theft is business impersonation. You've probably heard of the calls coming in from scammers pretending to work from a legitimate company or organization. Their goal is usually personal information, and even more so, your money. Next is email identity theft. It's important to stay vigilant when receiving emails and even to never click a link, even if it seems to be from someone you know. Now, you may not have heard of this last one, form jacking. This is when cybercriminals hack a website and take over a form on their website with their own malicious JavaScript code. That way they can collect anything filled out on the form, which is usually payment and personal information. If you've been scammed, these are some of the steps you can take right now. Number one, alert all 3 major credit bureaus and place a fraud alert on your credit report. Number 2, report any breaches to official government agencies like the FTC, Federal Trade Commission. And 3, if you can regain access to any of your accounts, immediately go and change those passwords and inform the account provider. For more ways to protect your identity online, head to cyberguy.com/identitytheft. And while you're there, sign up for my free newsletter.